Ever felt like the fire that once drove you, that hunger to crush your goals, chase your dreams, or even get out of bed early, just faded? You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just over 30. And biology might be playing a game you didn't even know you were part of. But the good news? You can flip that switch back on, and I'll show you how. Let's talk about why men lose their drive after 30, and how to reverse it. Remember your early 20s? You had energy to pull all-nighters, hit the gym, work like a maniac, and still go out on Friday. Fast forward to your 30s. You wake up tired, your motivation feels half dead, and you start wondering, when did life start feeling like a grind? This isn't just in your head. Around age 30, most men start experiencing a slow but steady biological shift, and it's messing with your chemistry, your mindset, and your ambition. I'm not talking about midlife crisis or some motivational nonsense. I'm talking about real, measurable, scientific changes that literally change how much drive your brain produces. Let's start with the biggest culprit, testosterone. From your late teens through your 20s, testosterone is like rocket fuel. It boosts your confidence, energy, focus, libido, and motivation. All the stuff that makes you feel alive. But after 30, that rocket fuel starts leaking. Studies show that men lose about 1% of testosterone every year after age 30. By the time you hit 40, you could be down by 10 to 15%. And when that happens, your body and brain start sending weaker go signals. You start to feel flat. You're not depressed, but you're not excited either. You don't hate your life, you just don't feel it anymore. And here's the part most guys miss. It's not just about sex drive. Low testosterone affects your dopamine system, the part of your brain responsible for motivation and pleasure. Dopamine is the go-get-it chemical. It's what makes you chase goals, finish projects, and feel rewarded when you achieve something. But when testosterone drops, dopamine sensitivity drops with it. That means you start needing more stimulation to feel motivated, scrolling longer, watching more, chasing hits of instant gratification instead of long-term satisfaction. Sound familiar? That's not laziness, that's neurochemistry. Now, testosterone is only one piece of the puzzle. There's also stress, and how your modern lifestyle secretly kills your drive. When you're under constant stress, bills, deadlines, relationships, your body pumps out a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is great when you're running from a tiger. It's terrible when you're sitting at a desk. High cortisol directly suppresses testosterone production. It also messes with your sleep, increases belly fat, and makes your brain more sensitive to negative emotions. Basically, stress rewires your system to survive, not to thrive. So if you're waking up groggy, hitting snooze, and running on caffeine just to function, it's not just bad habits. Your biology is stuck in survival mode. You're not chasing goals because your brain thinks the world is on fire. And here's where the loop gets vicious. Low testosterone increases stress sensitivity, and high stress lowers testosterone. It's like pouring gasoline on a fire and wondering why it won't go out. But that's not all. Around your 30s, lifestyle choices start catching up. When you were younger, you could eat junk, skip sleep, party, and bounce back in a day. Now, one late night and you're useless for 48 hours. Your metabolism slows down, muscle mass decreases, recovery takes longer. And as your body starts declining, your mind follows. Because when you feel weaker, you act weaker. A 2019 study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that men with lower physical activity had significantly lower testosterone, even after controlling for age. Meaning, if you move less, your hormones tank faster. Your body literally rewards movement with more energy and drive. But if you stop moving, it starts shutting down non-essential systems, including motivation. So yeah, sitting all day might be the most anti-masculine thing you can do. Now here's where it gets deeper. Drive isn't just biological, it's also psychological. In your 20s, life is full of new experiences, new jobs, new people, new goals. Everything is exciting because everything is new. Your brain's reward system loves novelty. It fires dopamine every time you explore something unfamiliar. But by your 30s, routine takes over. You've seen the movie, had the job, been through relationships. Your brain stops getting those novelty hits, and dopamine levels flatline. That's why so many men start feeling like robots. Same job, same gym, same everything. But no spark. You're not bored with life. You're bored with predictability. The human brain isn't designed for endless comfort. It's designed for challenge, progress, and uncertainty. Without it, drive dies. So let's tie this all together. The loss of drive after 30 comes from three main factors: declining testosterone and dopamine sensitivity, chronic stress and poor recovery, lack of novelty and physical challenge. But here's the beautiful part. Every single one of these can be reversed. Let's talk about how. Step 1. Fix your sleep. You can't rebuild drive if your sleep sucks, period. Most of your testosterone is made during deep sleep, specifically during REM cycles. If you're sleeping less than 7 hours, your testosterone can drop by up to 15%, according to a University of Chicago study. Start with one rule: no screens 90 minutes before bed. Blue light destroys melatonin production, the hormone that tells your body it's time to rest. Dim the lights, put your phone away, and let your brain wind down. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even weekends. This isn't old man advice. It's hormonal optimization. Step 2. Train like your life depends on it, because it does. Resistance training is the fastest natural way to boost testosterone and dopamine. But it's not about going beast mode every day. It's about consistency. Do compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, anything that challenges your body. The harder your body works, the louder your brain screams, "Let's grow." And don't underestimate sunlight. Vitamin D acts like a natural testosterone booster. Just 20 minutes of morning sunlight can make a measurable difference in energy, mood, and hormone balance. Step 3. Control your stress before it controls you. You can't avoid stress, but you can manage it. Start by building dopamine discipline. That means reducing quick dopamine hits, like endless scrolling, gaming, junk food, or porn. Every time you feed those habits, you desensitize your reward system, making real life feel dull. Instead, give your brain earned dopamine, workouts, progress, new skills. The more you make your brain work for pleasure, the stronger your drive becomes. And when you feel stress rising, breathe. 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. This lowers cortisol within minutes. Simple, boring, but life-changing if you do it daily. Step 4. Eat like your hormones depend on it. Because they do. Healthy fats, proteins, and micronutrients are the building blocks of testosterone. Eggs, avocados, olive oil, and red meat, in moderation, all support hormone production. Zinc and magnesium, found in nuts, spinach, and seafood, are critical for testosterone synthesis. And don't starve yourself. Men who eat too little for too long can tank their hormones faster than junk food can. Your body needs calories to make hormones. Step 5. Reintroduce challenge and purpose. You want your drive back? Give it something to chase. Most men lose motivation because they stop aiming at something meaningful. They hit comfort, a stable job, a decent income, a relationship, and their brain thinks, mission complete. But purpose is the ultimate performance enhancer. Set a goal that scares you a little, something uncertain, something hard. Run that marathon, build that business, learn that new skill. Progress reignites dopamine like nothing else. And when you mix that with a balanced body and strong sleep, your fire comes back. So here's the big picture. Men don't lose drive after 30 because they're getting older. They lose it because modern life disconnects them from the things that create drive: challenge, purpose, and recovery. You can fix your sleep, lift weights, eat right, and manage stress. But above all, find something worth waking up for. Because once your brain believes there's a mission ahead, every cell in your body will start working for it. Age doesn't kill your fire, neglect does. And the moment you start taking your biology seriously, you stop feeling like a tired man and start living like a driven one again. If this helped you feel even 1% better, Go ahead and hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple ways to upgrade your life every day.